Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Deborah Okembo and I'm excited to share my first DIY with you. Although it took me 8 hours to achieve this look, in the end it was worth moving from this beauty to this beauty. I want to say a very big thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel so far. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, take a moment, click on the subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that when I upload my new video, you'll be the very first person to know about it. To achieve this look, I got this crochet from the market for 1,100 naira, and I got two. That's less than $5 if you convert it. I got it because I liked the texture and the length, and I thought, oh well, I like it, so I should get it. And so yeah, that's why I got it. And also for this, we'll also be needing two combs. One is the cutting comb, and the other is the tail comb. And I used my old edge control to help hold my hair. Is your crochet stick. You'll be using this to install your crochet, so very important to have it. First thing first is to wash your hair with shampoo and condition it and make sure it is clean before you start your hair. It's very important to have a clean hair. Going in with my cotton comb, I've given myself a center pattern because I like center pattern. So if you prefer to give yourself a side pattern, then that's fine. And so I'll give myself a nice center pattern. So after that, I'll be moving to the back of my hair. So I prefer to start with my back so that I will just give it a good cut and then finish up with the back before I move to the front. So right now I'll be going in with my edge control. So this is just to help my edges stay together so that it will not be so hard for me to place them together. So go in with my edge control. And then I'll start placing it. Started with 3 down and then journey has just begun. So it took me more than 2 hours to achieve a full feather look on my hair. There was a lot of stretching, a lot of, wondering why I even took on this venture in the first place. But, well, at the end of the day, it was worth it, but then, I don't know. So yeah, at this point I was still wondering, okay, should I have done this? So well, we're doing this, so we're almost there, and so we're going to do this. So I feel like if you want to do this, maybe you want to do a crochet yourself, you can get somebody to help you do the full feather look, type, and then so that you just have to install the hair by yourself. Yeah, at this point I felt, oh, we're halfway there and we're almost at end of the road. Little did I know that, well, we've just not even started the journey. But yeah, it was fun. It was actually fun to do this. It was fun. It was fun to do this. I would not say that. It was so much fun. do this. So at this point, we'll be taking our crochet stick and be installing our first crochet. Guys, this is my first time ever trying this. I watched a few YouTube videos and I thought, well, let me try this, and it was very hard in the beginning. It was so hard. I kept pulling the crochet into my hair. It was not just working. I guess the videos I watched on YouTube were done by professionals, so I thought it was going to be as easy as I watched it, but it wasn't that easy. I kept missing it, I kept losing it. It was just not working, honestly. But we've gone this far, so we're not going to go back. So I just kept pushing. I was able to fix my first strand, so I inserted my crochet into my hair and pulled the crochet, and then this was time for me to pull my hair into the crochet, and it was another journey altogether. It was not just working. I was just like, what am I doing wrong? It was not just working. It was just not working. At a point, I did give up. I was just calm, like, you know what, we're going to do this again. So I think I went back on YouTube and watched another video, and then I continued with my venture. I continued with my venture. I finally did my first one. When I'm doing the next one, I'll teach you how I was able to get it. At this point, I was doing it and I was feeling like, yeah, baby, you're doing it. And so yeah, did the first one and it was good, and I thank God. So yeah, this is the second one. So I will take it step by step on how I was able to do it. First thing first, you put your crochet stick in the middle of your already plaited hair. Put in your crochet and pull it in. Try to make sure that your hair was not tightly plaited, so that it won't be hard for you to. So now you're going to put both your hair and your crochet into the hole on the crochet head. So that's what I'm doing here. Put the hair first, and then I put the crochet next. Yeah, give me a moment. It wasn't easy. Yeah, so while this is happening, I think one of the advice I would give if you want to do this is just clear your mind. You can't be rushing to somewhere. I want to do this by yourself. No, give yourself some time. Give yourself a long time. Except to have maybe magic fingers. And so after that, I'll put my crochet stick right in the middle of. So put it in, and you're trying to get to a point where you can be able to pull your hair through the crochet. So you close the crochet loop and then you pull it. You try the second one, pull it in, and then so it became easier in the second one, and then it got a lot more easier as I began this journey. So right here, it has taken me more than 4 hours to achieve this. And as you can see, I think I did this without even looking at the mirror. It was easier now. I just pulled my head through in, pulled the crochet into, and I was able to just do everything easily right now, because I've been doing it for more than 4 hours. So my hand had gotten used to it, so I could just put my crochet stick into the crochet and just pull my hair more easily now than the first time. So yes, this is how I achieved this beautiful look. If you like it, please leave a comment down below. I've been excited to see those who think that they will try this. It took me 8 hours, it took me a lot of movies, it took me a lot of stretching, a lot of music and dance, just to keep myself motivated while I took on this venture. So please, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and So guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Remember to click on the notification bell so that when I post my next video, you'll be the very first person to know. And if you'll be trying this DIY, please leave it in the comment section so that I'll see you and share in your own experience. Remember to stay safe out there. I love you and keep the faith. Bye.
Hey, oh, oh, oh.